Ramogi gin jo od bura to tich monego bed ni gitimo e od bura mar keto sirkal tesre ok gitim kaka dwarore. Mago Ramogi awene chenro mar kaka waneno odiechieng' makiny. Ka wadhi nyime yudo ni obila moro e tesend obila ma Sosiot Kericho wito ngimane bang' dere kod tond wuochege mag tich. Obila ni mapok oyang nyinge lela nikech pok anyuola ne ong'eyo wach thone. Wacho ni ne ochwal tesend obila ma Sosiot kowuok Roret. Nyaka sani pod onge gimoro amora ma oseyudo ni oweyo malero gima omiyo nokawo ngimane, kata kamano obila osechako timo nonro mar yango thone.
The officer is just about 3 days old since he reported to this station, and from the officers who served with him from Belgut, from Buret, and here, he looked disturbed from yesterday, and we suspect that he could have been having some mental problem. So when we arrived at the area of the incident, we found him still hanging on the shoelace that he used to commit suicide. So the officer is averagely 49 years now. So far, we have very scanty information about him because he's been new in this station, and we searched his body and around where he committed the suicide, but we could not find any suicide note. But we only had we had a kitchen knife and a simi which he was holding from last night.